We're going to switch gears here. A small Detroit hospital is halting admissions due to an outbreak of a rare drug-resistant fungal infection known to spread in healthcare facilities.
It's called Candida auris, and so far the state health department has confirmed 7 cases in the last 5 weeks at Select Specialty Hospital in Northwest Detroit. The hospital is located within Sinai Grace, which says the outbreak has not spread to other areas of the building.
7 Action News reporter Brett Cast spoke to a spokesperson from Select Medical and a doctor about this rare yeast strain and its prevalence here in Metro Detroit.
On the 7th floor of Sinai Grace Hospital is Select Specialty Hospital, a separate 35-bed hospital not affiliated with Sinai Grace or DMC that takes care of seriously ill patients.
We take care of prolonged ICU patients that are complicated, patients that are seriously ill.
Samuel Hammerman is the chief medical officer for Select Medical and says recently at least 7 patients in their Detroit hospital have been infected with Candida auris, a yeast that's resistant to many drugs and can cause serious illness or even death.
None of the patients have suffered with any significant consequence of disease. This is not an invasive disease, a serious disease in these patients that we have found.
But the outbreak has led the hospital to pause all admissions. The yeast first reached the U.S. within the last decade and over the years has been found in more and more states, mainly spreading in healthcare settings.
Back in 2019, the CDC named it one of the urgent threats because of how resistant it can be, because of how dangerous it can be in the people who are really susceptible to it.
Dr. Matthew Sims with Beaumont Health says those susceptible to the yeast are usually sick patients with weaker immune systems, and it spreads by contact.
This isn't like COVID that's going to spread by just meeting people. It doesn't spread easily among the healthy. And it doesn't cause a lot of disease among the healthy.
In the meantime, the hospital and MDHHS are working to identify the source of the outbreak, while also working to contain it and bring it to an end.
We'll continue to work closely with them throughout this course, certainly being cautious and prudent along the way.
In Detroit, Brett Cast, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Brett.